Hello and welcome to Chapter 4, Lesson 2. Today we're going to be talking about multiplication as repeated addition. So there are many ways to find the total, or the product, when there are groups of equal objects. So we're going to explore those. We're going to do repeated addition today. We're going to study arrays. So we're just going to kind of study a bunch of different ways on how to solve multiplication, so that you can really have a great understanding of it. So let's get started. All right, so here we have example 1. Gilberto made 4 small pizzas for his party. Each pizza had 5 slices of tomato. How many slices of tomato did Gilberto use to make 4 small pizzas? So our job here is we need to find how many slices of tomato there are in 4 groups of 5. So one way is we could draw a picture. There are 4 groups. So we're going to draw 4 pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 5 tomatoes in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I hope you're thinking what I'm thinking of. We can count by 5s. Count. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 20 slices of tomatoes on the pizzas. Another way is we could just use repeated addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So that means that 4 groups of 5 is 20. Gilberto used 20 slices of tomatoes. All right, so when you find the total of equal groups of objects, you multiply. The symbol X means to multiply. The numbers multiplied are factors, and the result is the product. So when we see something, we'll talk about it down here. Never mind. I won't talk about it yet. So example 2 says, a honeycomb cell has 6 sides. What is a 6-sided shape called? A hexagon. They are hexagons with 6 sides. How many sides do 5 separated honeycomb cells have? So we need to find what is 5 groups of 6. One way is we could write an addition sentence. So I could say 6 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So I'm going to do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is, well, how much is that? Let's see. 12. 6 and 6 makes 12. And then we have an extra 6. So if I take 12 plus 12, I would get 24. Then I need to add in my last 6. I would get 30. 30 is what 5 6s are equal to. So another way I could have done that is writing a multiplication sentence where I said, okay, I have 5 groups and each group has 6 in it. Notice how the 5 and the 6, the numbers I'm multiplying together, are called factors. And then our answer, 30, is called the product. So product means answer to a multiplication sentence, just like difference is the answer to a subtraction sentence, and sum is the answer to an addition sentence. So product is the new one we're adding here. So 5 groups of 6 is 30. The unknown is 30 sides are in 5 honeycombs. Cool. All right, so here it says to write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence for this picture. So question is, how many groups do I have? I have 4. How many are in each group? There are 3 in each group. So that means I have 4 groups of 3. So that means I need to repeat the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I know that 2 3s are worth 6. So that would mean 4 3s are worth 12. Or I could just take 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So that means that 4 groups of 3 are 12. Okay, let's look at this talk math over here. Can you write 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9 as a multiplication sentence? No, because the groups are not, what? What do you think the groups are not? They're not equal. We need to have equal groups. It needs to be repeated addition, where we are repeating the same number over and over when we're adding. This is not repeating. All right, let's do a couple quick ones here. Write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence for each. So this one I'm repeating the 6's, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6's. 6, 6, 6. We already did this one, so that means I have 5 groups of 6. Okay, so I know 2 6's are 12. 2 6's are 12, and then we have 1 6 left over. 12 plus 12 is 24, and 24 plus 6 more is 30. So that means 5 times 6 is 30. All right, so this time I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 4 groups. And how many are in each group? 5 are in each group. Ooh, we like counting by 5s. So that means I have to add 4 5s together. Well, 5, 10, 15, 20. There we go. 20 balloons are in this picture. I wanted to do a quick vocabulary check here. So here we go. Use the correct words to and the number sentence 6 times 8 equals 48 to solve. So the number 48 is the number 48. Oh, that 48's over here. That's the product. The answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. The symbol X tells you to multiply. This is in the homework, sorry. I switched to the homework. I hope you figured that out. The numbers 6 and 8 are the factors. And 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 48 shows repeated addition. Okay. And 6 times 8 means 6 groups of equal groups of 8. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching to the very end, and we'll see you next time.